Hey, Walk America, what it do, baby? This is Miss Wells, America's health teacher, owner and operator of Abundant Health Services, basic steps to better health. I am the home of Health Fleet. Listen, it's time to check that mirror on the wall. Hey, who is the meditation fairest of them all? Did you meditate today? Just type in yes or no. Did you meditate today? Not tomorrow, today. Something that's easy to do. You can do the 4-7-8 breathing method. You can listen to a 1-minute breathing a guided meditation on the Honest Guys YouTube channel. There's so many free ways. You can do the double inhale sigh, which is you taking 2 breaths in and then you sigh it out. You could do that cycle like 4 or 5 times. But August, our challenge is making sure that we meditate every single day. Oxidative stress is a real thing. This ain't no woo-woo stuff. This is real science. I need you to win more in your health. I need you to win more in your health. Your health is your business. I love y'all. This is Miss Wells, owner and operator of Abundant Health Services. Walk, hydrate, meditate. That's what we focused on today. Walk, hydrate, meditate. Making sure you walk at least 20 to 30 minutes a day. Let's go, Walk America. That's something easy we could do that's going to help clean our heart. It's going to help fortify our immune system. Then I need you to hydrate, making sure you have at least half of your body weight in ounces of water every single day. So if you weigh 200 pounds, that's 100 ounces of water you need each day. Listen, the water that you put in your tea and coffee, it counts. You should be having 3 to 4 bags of green tea every single day. Strengthen your immune system. Give yourself the antioxidants that you need. Then I need you to make sure that you do your part, that you make sure that you meditate. What does that look like? Sleep is a form of meditation. Get you some Ease Magnesium, topical magnesium solution so that you can sleep smarter. I want to know how you sleeping this month. Then I also want to know, listen, what are you doing to reduce your oxidative stress? Are you doing yoga? Are you coloring? What are you doing actively? There's so many ways to meditate. What is your health affirmation? It could be one simple line. What breathing technique will you incorporate? Set an alarm on your phone to meditate. You have to meditate each day. Meditation is good for your health. Meditation is good for your mental wellness. Meditation is good. It affects everything from your nervous system to your heart, to your respiratory system, to your immune system, to your digestive system. Let's go. Let's not make excuses. Meditation is a real thing. And if those of you who are believers, listen, the Word of God tells you to meditate. Day and night, set an alarm. So I want to see you guys. I'm going to give you an example right now. You can meditate right now with me. I'm going to show you how easy it is. Listen, the Lord is my shepherd. I shall not be in lack. The Lord is my shepherd. I shall not be in lack. Look at how easy that you can do the double inhale sigh. Look in the mirror. Ask yourself, why aren't you? Why aren't you? It's free. It's something that you can easily do. And there's tons of meditation resources out there. But this month in August, I want you to just type in the chat that whether or not you meditated or not. Yes or no. That's it. I just want you to type in yes. Every day I'll make a post. Every day in August. Did you meditate today? Yes or no? I love y'all. Share this with somebody that you love and care about. You don't want to miss Health Class USA. First Saturday of every month. I do Health Class USA at 12:15 Eastern Standard Time. Right here, live on Facebook, on the Abundant Health Service channel, and also on the Abundant Health YouTube channel. All right, so you can find us on Facebook, and you can always get the link on our website, abundanthealthservice.com. All right, I love y'all. Peace. How you doing, Ms. Thompson? Appreciate your support. God bless y'all. Have a great day. Peace.